That Commissioner Roslyn Akombe exit from IEBC dents the Commission's credibility is not in doubt. But hard as it may be, the blow is not fatal for purposes of transacting business, as the IEBC Act stipulates. The quorum for the Commission shall be 5 out of the 7 commissioners. The controversial Elections Laws Amendments Bill that is currently awaiting President Kenyatta's signature proposes to reduce the quorum to half of available commissioners as long as they are not less than 3. But the scenario would be more complicated if Chairman Chebukati, too, threw in the towel. Besides the obvious political reverberations, his resignation would leave a void harder to fill under the current law. Section 6 of the IEBC Act requires the chairman to be a lawyer qualified to be a judge of the Supreme Court. Chebukati is the only lawyer in the current commission, meaning none of his colleagues qualify to inherit his shoes if he walks out. But if assented to, the electoral amendments laws will effectively dilute the importance of the chairman to elections by delegating to the vice chair or any other commissioner the role of the chairman. It means, therefore, Vice Chair Consolata Maina or any other commissioner would step into Chebukati's shoes in an acting capacity. But a poll presided over by an acting chairman would likely attract a challenge in court. Our precedent has already been set when the High Court dropped corruption case facing former Transport CS Michael Kamau on the grounds that the commission that was lacking a chairperson at the time was not properly constituted. There is also a likelihood that someone could move to court to stop the election from happening on the same grounds. The other likely scenario is that of Chebukati returning to the court for an interpretation of whether an election held under the mounting tensions and with Odinga's boycott and those of his supporters would be valid. Kandie, JKL.